You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. Italian, name of a charcuterie type of meat, salami, you could call it. I mean, there is a difference. If you want to learn more Italian cuisine vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got loads here. Soppressata is how it's pronounced in Italian, in Italy. Soppressata. Soppressata. So in English, rather similarly, you can say it as soppressata. Soppressata. You do want to stress on the double P. Soppressata. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.